I had a dentist like this. I'm like, I've never been excited about dentistry, but he's so excited about it and he's so good at it that I'm like, dude, you have to talk dentistry to me.
Yeah.
I'm like, you're like that with floors. Like, just talking to you on the phone, I can tell, like, you're excited about what you do.
Yep.
You're, like, super excited when you get a good result.
Yes, sir.
And I'm like, that's inspiring. It doesn't matter what you do. If that's the space you're in, you can inspire other people.
Bingo. I'm glad you said guys, we just got through doing our first job in Decula. Went very well. Wax removal, countertops. Now we're on our second job. This is the new residence. Beautiful, beautiful home out here in Cumming, Georgia. This is Mark and his wife Megan. I did come out here last week to do a paid consultation. They booked on the spot. And what they want to do, guys, they didn't want to go through the full sanding. They kind of want to keep the old look to the floors, but what we are going to do is add some color back to it, and then we're also going to do the UV cure. So let me show you guys what we got going here. All right, guys, so they just bought this beautiful, beautiful property. Let me show you first. They just bought this beautiful property out here in Cumming. All this beautiful land. Look at this long porch. But check out this, guys. That is a beautiful view. All right, so what we're going to be doing, it's a little bit over 600 square feet, wood floors, screened recoat, color correction, and the UV cure. I was about to say countertops because we've been doing countertops so much. So right here, guys, you got this area right here. You got some missing color all through here, all through here. So you can just see this is just a high traffic area, all through here. Now we do have some water damage that they do know that's not going to come out, but I think they're going to have something sitting there. So all through here, all right, all through here. We're not doing the stairs. They want to keep that old rusted look on the stairs, and then up here. All right, so that's luxury vinyl plank right there. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. You want to put them up? Same. Yeah. All right, guys, check it out. Look at that red coat finish. Nice satin finish. Man, this looks good. Tavares even said, he said, Courtney, when I first walked in, man, I didn't know if you, hey, it's just what you come with experience. Been working with me for almost 6-7 months and still can't believe some of the stuff I'm able to pull off. And again, guys, it just comes with experience. But I will tell you, one of the things the clients, and he's actually on the way, Mark, one of the things he wanted to do was keep the characteristics of the floor, and some of these boards is missing a lot of grain, but that gives these floors a lot of character. Like, see over here, the floors are nice and smooth, but when you see this is the soft grain. So whoever probably lived here had a dog, or just old floor. These are probably the original floors, but the boards with the missing soft grain, that is actually, and you know what it does? there's a floor, it's called a wire brush. A wire brush floor is when they take a wire brush and they knock out all the soft grain, so it gives it that look like this. And that really brought out this floor. But man, this looks amazing. So I'm about to start UV curing. Oh my God, guys, this came out great. This came out great. All right, and we got the upstairs. So I've already UV cured the upstairs. Now I'm about to do the downstairs. Phone has been ringing a lot today. Woo! All right, guys, let's get this UV curing going. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are done. My client, Mark, just came through. I haven't met him yet. I met his wife a few times, but Mark just got here. Mark, what's up, man?
Heard you guys rocked this deal.
Come on and tell me what you think. It's your house. Come on in.
Oh, wow. What difference. And see, this is what I was talking about, where it's like,
yes,
there's still a little bit of this here.
Yep.
It kind of maintains the
bingo. That's what we're saying. It give it that because this is almost like a wire brush floor because the soft grain is gone. I say it would have been cool if all the floors like this, but since it's just a high traffic area and these are the original floors, but as you see, it gave it more character and it really brought it out.
Yeah, no doubt. But now it's sealed. So
yes, sir.
It should stop that wearing.
Yep. Well, really, there's nothing to wear because once the soft grain is gone, it's gone. Yeah, man, this came out amazing. What you think?
I think it's great.
Thank you. See how smooth it is?
Yep.
All right, guys. Now, we didn't know about the water damage or either pet or whatever that is.
Yep.
That black there. And then right there, that one actually kind of blending in a little bit better. But that's either water damage or either pet stains or something. But yeah, man, this floor came out amazing. All right, guys, that's going to do it. We saw the results. We got the floor screened, sealed, amber sealed, coated, and UV cured. And the upstairs came out great as well. All right, guys, that's going to do it. See you tomorrow. We have a nice one in Gainesville. Screen, Recoat, UV cure. Same thing Thursday in Brownston. Screen, Recoat, UV cure. See you in the next one.